So hello guys, welcome to another video. In the previous video tutorials we have learned almost 3 Java 14 new features. Okay, so in this video we are going to learn another 2 Java 14 new features, which is nothing but text blocks and helpful null pointer exceptions. Okay, so without wasting more time, let's start understanding what is text blocks. Okay, so for your better understanding and my less time consumption, I have prepared some ready-made code here. Okay, so just open Eclipse. You can see here I have some ready-made codes. So as you can see here, I have taken some valid and invalid string literals. Okay, so this one you can call as invalid string literal. Okay, you can call this one as our expectation, because we always wanted to write our HTML code inside a string like this. Okay, but we never did it because of our limitations. Okay, so that's it. Here you can say this is reality, because if you want to print out HTML code in that pattern, you have to code like this with much more complexity. Okay, so here you can see syntax error is coming because you can't write like this in Java. Okay, so just comment this part, and now we will print our complex message. Okay, so here you can say sysout, you can say complex. Okay, just run the application. Yeah, you can see we got the perfect output in perfect pattern. But one thing you have to notice that in this one line of code how much complexity is there. Okay, so that's it. Just change the message here, say it as a complex within a string. Okay, and just say here plus. Fine, this is all about our first approach. Yeah, and let's move to the second approach. Okay, which is more typical than the first one. Okay, yeah, that's it, it's coming nicely. Fine, so let's print this message also. So you can say sysout, more typical. Okay, more complex you can say. Here just concat with more typical. Okay, yeah, just run the application. Yeah, you can see the same output is coming, but the code is still complex. Okay, this much complexity we cannot handle each time. Okay, so let's move to the solution part, which is nothing but one of the most beautiful feature of Java 14. So here you can say text blocks, just comment it. Yeah, so you can say here string best equals to, start with 3 double quotes, just say enter, and with the semicolon. Okay, so here in between this gap, okay, you can write your message. So here HTML start, HTML close, inside that body start and body close. Yeah, inside that I will say h1 open. Okay, h1 close. Yeah, h1. Yeah, that's it. In between this I can print my message. Okay, just remove this line. Okay, yeah, that's it. Here I will say hey, I am here. Okay, same as the previous one. So you can see one warning is coming. So warning is you are using a preview language feature that may or may not be supported in future release. Okay, it's coming because it's a preview feature. Okay, so just print the best. Yeah, just run the application now. Yeah, as you can see we got the perfect pattern. Okay, moreover without writing any complex code. Okay, you can see here we have just written like this and our output is coming like this only. Okay, so this is the beauty of text block feature in Java 14. Okay, so that's all about text block feature. Okay, here you can say text block. Okay, here concat best. Yeah, that's it, just run the application. Here you can see the difference. Okay, see the difference in coding part, how much complexity is reduced. And one more thing, don't think like this is a different thing. Okay, so just print best dot length as a string. Okay, So just run the application. You can see the length 54 is coming. Okay, fine, that's it all about this beautiful feature text blocks. Okay, with this completion we have completed one more Java 14 new feature, as you can see here. So just we can say now this is also completed. Okay, just one more feature left here, which is nothing but helpful null pointer exceptions. So I have prepared some notes on that. We can see and understand that also. Okay, so let's start that. So here, as you can see, before Java 14, whenever we got null pointer exception, this type of tracing message is coming. Okay, so here you can see it like this. Okay, which is more complicated. So Java 14 introduced a new JVM feature which gives better insight with a more descriptive stack. So here you can see after Java 14 some developed stack is coming. Okay, so here you can read this one: cannot invoke blog.getAuthor because the return value of article.getBlog is null at null pointer exception that. Okay, so this is all about null pointer exception feature. Okay, so there is nothing more to discuss about that null pointer exception. So with that we have completed all 5 features of Java 14. By this video, this playlist is completed, guys. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel so that it will motivate me a lot. And thanks for watching. Happy coding.